particular video lecture, we'll learn about modules, how to import modules into our code, and ending a program early using the SystemExec function.
Importing modules. Python comes with a huge set of modules called the standard library. Each of these modules is nothing but a Python program that contains a related group of functions that can be embedded into our programs. For example, the math module has mathematics related functions, and the random module has the random number related functions, and so on. Python programs can call a basic set of functions called built-in functions, including print, input, and len functions. Before using these functions in our module, we must import the module with an import statement. An import statement consists of the following: the import keyword followed by the name of the module and additional modules that are separated by commas. These additional modules are optional. Once a module is imported, we can use all the built-in functions of that module. Let's give it a try with the math module, which will give us access to the py function. Importing modules using the FromImport statements. A module contains definition for many variables and functions. When a module is imported, we can use any variable or function defined in that module. But if we want some specific variables or functions, then we need to use FromImport statement. To import more than one item from a module, use a comma separated list.
Ending a program early with SystemExec function. Usually, the program execution ends when all the instructions in the program have been executed. However, we can cause the program to terminate or exit by calling the SystemExec function. As this function is in the sys module, we need to import sys module into our program before using it. Here is an example that terminates a program using SystemExec function. We'll run this Python code in idle. Observe that this program has an infinite loop with no break statement inside. The only way this program terminates is if the user enters exit, causing SystemExec function to be called. That is, when response is equal to exit, the program ends. Since the response variable is set to the input function, the user must enter exit in order to stop the program. Before concluding, we'll have a quick recap. In this video lecture, we have learned two ways of importing modules into our Python code, that is, using import keyword and from keyword, and we have also learned how to exit from a program that has infinite loop using SystemExec function.